How to use Bitget, beginner's tutorial guide. Are you new to Bitget and want to start trading crypto? In this beginner's tutorial, I'll walk you through the basics of using the Bitget exchange and how to get started. So let's dive in. First, you need to go to bitget.com and download the Bitget app from the App Store or Google Play Store, then sign up. And enter your email address and a secure password. You'll need to verify your email, so make sure to check your inbox for the confirmation link. For extra security, Bitget will ask you to enable two-factor authentication. This helps keep your account safe, and you can use an app like Google Authenticator or SMS for this step. Once your account is set up, it's time to deposit funds. On the homepage, tap on Assets and then Deposit. You'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies to deposit. Choose the one you want to deposit and copy the wallet address and send your funds from your external wallet or another exchange. After your funds are deposited, tap on Trade at the bottom of the screen and this will bring up the trading interface. You'll see the market chart, order book and trading options. Bitget offers a variety of crypto pairs, including spot trading, futures trading, and copy trading. To place a trade, first select the trading pair you want, for example, Bitcoin/USDT. Then decide if you want to buy or sell. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to trade. Select the order type, market, or limit, and tap Buy or Sell to confirm your trade. If you want to withdraw your funds, go to the Assets tab and tap on Withdraw. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Enter the recipient's wallet address and choose the amount to withdraw. Confirm the withdrawal and check for any fees. You can keep track of your portfolio by visiting the Assets tab, and here you can see your balances, transaction history, and performance. Bitget also has a feature called Copy Trading, which allows you to follow professional traders and copy their strategies. This is a great option for beginners to start learning trading professionally. And that's it. You're now ready to start using Bitget. Thanks for watching.